Gradelink provides one-click NCEA reporting. To send a report to your superintendent, you can save it as a spreadsheet and email it to them. Or, if your diocese uses Gradelink Diocesan Portal, you can submit the NCEA report directly through Gradelink, and your superintendent will be able to view it directly through the diocesan portal. There are 4 steps to configure the report. I'll walk you through each of them. First, you need to complete your school's profile. Go to Settings, School Profile. There's 4 tabs: General, Catholic Info, Daycare, Preschool, and Government Programs. Click through each one and confirm that it's up to date. Step 2, Ethnicity and Race. Go to Settings, Race Designations. The right-hand side shows the races created by the school. Each of these races must be mapped to one of the 5 federal and NCEA races. Let's look at a few examples. To map a race, select the race from the right, such as Filipino. Here you can see the names of the students and staff who have identified as Filipino in Gradelink. Next, select the federal NCEA race from the left side, such as Pacific Islander, and press Save. Now, students and staff identified as Filipino will appear under Pacific Islander on the NCEA report. You can map multiple races to one federal NCEA race. For example, I can also map Indonesian to Pacific Islander. You can also merge races. For example, to merge Black and African American, select both and press Merge. Current federal and NCEA reporting guidelines call for Hispanic Latino students to be reported as such under their ethnicity rather than race. Step 3, Staff Info. Go to the Staff tab and make sure the following have been filled out for each employee: NCEA staff type, employment type, professional level, race, Hispanic, Catholic. Step 4, Student Info. Go to the Students tab and make sure the following have been filled out completely for each student: ethnicity, race, NCEA census. Step 5, Run Report. Now you can create the NCEA report in Gradelink in one click. If your diocese uses the diocesan portal, adjust the submission status and turn it in. If your diocese does not use the diocesan portal, click Export to Excel. The data will be formatted as a single row in a spreadsheet, which matches the Data Only tab in the NCEA Data Bank Collection Excel workbook. You can email the file to your school's diocesan office. The one-click NCEA report is available from Gradelink as a free add-on. If you don't see the NCEA report in your account, it may not be enabled yet. Please contact your customer care rep to have it enabled. If you don't know who they are, contact us and we'll help you get in touch.